Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the heater core in a Dodge Ram 2500 full guide. Gather tools and parts, wear gloves, and disconnect the battery before you begin. Lay out fasteners and label hoses to speed reassembly. Drain coolant into a suitable container and cap fittings to minimize mess. Take photos during disassembly to reference later. Keep a clean workspace and take breaks if needed to stay careful and focused. Start by removing the dash lower panel and glove box to reveal the HVAC housing and keep screws organized. Support the housing as you unbolt it so internal components do not shift or fall. Label every connector and vacuum line you disconnect to ensure correct reassembly. Be gentle with plastic clips and trim pieces to prevent damage. Work methodically and refer to your photos so returning parts to their original positions is simple and stress-free. Carefully remove the old heater core and inspect the HVAC housing for debris or corrosion before fitting the new unit. Fit the new heater core, reconnect hoses and clamps, and torque mounting bolts to spec while keeping everything aligned. Reassemble the dash components in reverse order and reconnect electricals. Refill the cooling system, bleed trapped air until heater flow is steady, and run the engine to check for leaks and proper cabin heat output.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.